Hey, Virginia Beach, Virginia, is your kitchen faucet constantly dripping, turning your peaceful home into a symphony of incessant noise? This isn't just a small inconvenience. A leaking faucet can lead to a staggering waste of water, driving up your utility bills and placing unnecessary strain on our environment. More often than not, this frustrating issue stems from a faulty washer or a complication within the faucet's cartridge. But fear not, Virginia Beach residents, because help is closer than you think. Don't allow this problem to escalate, further draining your wallet and our precious water resources. Act swiftly by calling 1-855-730-2661. Our team of experts is on standby, ready to restore your faucet to its prime condition, ensuring efficient and smooth operation. Remember, ignoring a minor leak today can spiral into major troubles tomorrow. If you're in Virginia Beach, give us a call at 1-855-730-2661. Let's tackle that drip together and safeguard your home from further issues.